Chocolatician here. Hello all. It's Christmas chocolate lollipop time. You can see these chocolate transfers. They've got Christmassy patterns on. This one's got gingerbread men, and this one has some green foliage. And you'll find all of these things in your Chocolatician Workshop in a box kit. Christmas edition. So we need some chocolate that we've tempered using the video in the link to temper your chocolate at home. Give it a tap. That gets rid of all the air bubbles. Then we're going to use a lollipop stick, pop it in the middle and give it a little turn, just covering the end of the stick in chocolate. So when it's set, the stick will stay in it. Then you get to the fun bit of decorating. So I'm going to pop a little pretzel in there, and this is sugar nibs. They look quite sweet. There's a little Christmas scene, snow scene on the lollipop. Add a bit of crunch. Moving on to the green transfer, just making sure that you're pouring the chocolate onto the rough side of the transfer. Give it a tap. Pop your stick in. And I've tempered some white chocolate and put it in a piping bag. And I'm going to do some writing on this one. Wonder if you can guess what I'm going to write. It takes a bit of practice writing in chocolate, but you can just have a practice on the side on your paper. Merry Xmas, and a little holly leaf at the bottom. There we are. So now I'm going to temper a bit dark chocolate and pop it on here with some nice border details. Just doing little blobs, connecting them together to make a nice border, and then I might add a bit more detail to the pretzel to make it extra yummy. You can do whatever design you like. You might have some Christmassy things in the cupboard that you could use, or some fruit or nuts. So they've been in the fridge for about half an hour. I wouldn't normally put chocolate in the fridge, but it's a good idea to do it when you're using transfers, because it helps to release the transfer from the chocolate. There you are, you can see it's all come off. It looks very sharp and shiny, professional, and it's all edible. And now I'm going to put them in a bag so I can give them away as a gift for Christmas. So using the round end first, pop it in the bag, and then you need one of the gold ties. Pop it around the neck of the lollipop, holding the two ends together in one hand, and then spin the stick with the other hand.